Namaste. Today I am teaching yoga for the beginners. Normally all of them can practice this easily. One who is suffering from severe knee pain and back pain should not apply the much pressure on the back. You can do according to your ability. If possible, you can add that asana or you can skip that. And one who has undergone bypass surgery should not do this. And one who has undergone recent knee or back surgery also should avoid this. Others, all of them can practice this. Now, let us go for the practice. सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Prayer makes the practice interesting. It keeps you alert in the whole practice. It maintains the concentration and memory. Inhale and take the arms back. Hold your right wrist by the left hand. Bend the trunk back. Exhale and bend the trunk front. Rest your forehead on the ground. Inhale and come up. Now stand in a Tadasana. Jogging, fast jogging. If possible, you can go for fast jogging. 4 stages here. First is normal jogging. Second is side, taking the legs sideways. Third is raising the legs upwards. Next is touching the heels to the hips. You should practice for 60 to 120 seconds, means 1 to 2 minutes. Then you should relax for some time. You should relax for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you should prepare for Surya Namaskara. Om Ram Mitraya Namaha. Ekam. Inhale and raise the arms up. Stretch them over the head. Bend the trunk back. Urdhvasana. Breathe for 5 times. Dve. Exhale. Bend the trunk front. Take the head inside. Rest your forehead on the knees if possible. Breathe normally. Uttanasana. Threni. Inhale and take the right leg back. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Breathe 5 times. Breathe normally. Chatwari. Exhale and take your left leg also back. Dvipada Prasaranasana. Hold the pose for 5 breaths. Pancha. Inhale and rest your knees on the ground. And exhale, sit in a Shashankasana. Relax for a while. Toes should be inside. Relax. Shatter. Exhale and hold the breath. Rest your toes, knees, chest, palms and forehead on the ground. Should not rest your nose on the ground. Sastanga Namaskara. Should hold the breath for 2 seconds. Sapta. Inhale and raise your chest and the head. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Breathe 5 times. Join the heels. Toes should be inside. Asta. Exhale and rest your heels on the ground. Bring the head inside. Breathe normally. You could rest your crown on the ground if possible. Now, inhale, rest your knees on the ground and exhale, sit in a Shashankasana. Relax. Dasha, inhale and take the right leg front. Rise the head up. Breathe normally. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Ekadasha, exhale and join the heels. Bring the head inside. Breathe normally. Uttanasana. You should not overstretch anywhere. Dvadasha, inhale, come to the Namaskarasana. Come to the resting pose and relax. Right leg Surya Namaskara is over. Now half of the body has got good exercise. Now you should exercise for left part of the body. So you should do Surya Namaskara with the left leg. Om Hrim Bhavaye Namaha. Ekam. Inhale and raise the arms up. Bend the trunk back. Hold the pose for 5 breaths. Dve. Exhale. Bend the trunk front. Hold the legs. Bring the head inside. Breathe normally. We find many Surya Namaskaras in our surroundings. But 12 steps of Surya Namaskara is advisable for everybody because it has resting pose 2 times. Trini. Inhale and take the left leg back. Breathe normally. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Avoid wrinkles on your forehead. One can practice 4 to 6 or 6 to 100 Surya Namaskaras according to your flexibility of time. Chatvari. Exhale and take your right leg also back. Dvipada Prasaranasana. Heels back. Head should be in a line. Pancha. Inhale, rest your knees on the ground and exhale, sit in a Shashankasana. Relax. Shata. Exhale and hold the breath. Come to the Sastanga Namaskara pose. Sapta. Inhale. Raise your chest and the head. Urdhva Svanasana. Breathe normally. Should not overstretch anywhere. Asta. Exhale and rest your heels on the ground. Adho Mukha Svanasana. You could rest your crown on the ground if possible, or keep the head close to the ground. Now inhale, rest your knees on the ground and exhale, sit in a Shashankasana. You should practice Surya Namaskara facing Guru or rising sun. Dasha. Inhale and take the left leg front. Rise the head up. Breathe normally. Ekadasha. Exhale and join the heels. Hold the legs from the back. Bring the head inside. Breathe normally. Full sleep on the legs if possible. Dvadasha. Inhale and come to the Namaskara pose. Bring the hands down. Relax. Surya Namaskara is completed. Now, let us go for the asana session. Before that, we must practice breathing exercise. Inhale and take the arms back. Then exhale and take the arms front. This completes a round. Practice 5 times. Next is Hastakatiyasana. Hold your left wrist by the right hand. Rest it on the stomach. Inhale, bend the waist sideways to the left. Stay for 60 seconds with the normal breathing. Then exhale, come back to the resting pose and relax. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. should not bend the legs. Exhale, come back to the resting pose and relax. Utthita Trikonasana. Apart the legs sideways from 3 to 3.5 feet. Turn the leg sideways to the left. Exhale, bend the waist sideways to the left. Rest your left palm on the ground by side of the left foot, left side. Turn the head right side. Hold the pose for 60 seconds with the deep breathing. Here, left foot should be in a 90 degrees and right foot should be in a 60 degrees, left side. Then inhale, come to the resting pose and relax. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. Knee should not be bent. You could rest your right palm on the right ankle if you are getting pain. Inhale, come to the resting pose and relax. Vrukshasana. Asana resembles the tree, hence the name. Stand erect, lift the left leg and rest your left foot on the root of the right thigh. Inhale, raise up the arms sideways, straight them over the head and join the palms. Hold the pose for 60 seconds with the deep breathing. Then exhale, come to the Tadasana pose and relax. You can take wall support if you want. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Should keep the right knee in line with the right shoulder. Then exhale, come to the Tadasana pose and relax. Parivrtta Trikonasana. Apart the legs sideways from 3 to 3.5 feet. Keep the arms in line with the shoulders sideways. Turn the legs sideways to the left. Exhale and turn the spine. Rest your right palm on the ground. Rest your right palm on the ground by side of the left foot, left side. Turn the head left side. Hold the pose for 60 seconds with deep breathing. Then inhale, come to the Tadasana pose and relax. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Inhale, come to the Tadasana pose and relax. Ardha Chakrasana part 1. Legs should be in a V shape. Rest your palms on the waist. Fingers should be sideways. Exhale, bend the trunk back. Should not overstretch anywhere. Hold the pose for 60 seconds with the deep breathing. Then inhale, come back to the resting pose and relax. Ardha Chakrasana part 2. Legs apart. Keep 1 feet distance between the legs. Rest your palms on the waist. Exhale and bend the trunk back. Hold the pose for 60 seconds with the deep breathing. Then inhale, come to the Tadasana pose and relax. Padahastasana. Legs apart. Keep 1 feet distance between the legs. Keep your arms in a horizontal position. Exhale and bend the trunk front. Rest your palms under the feet. Bring your head between the legs. Knees should not be bent. If you are not touching palms to the ground, you can keep the hands swinging. Hold the pose for 60 seconds with the deep breathing. Then inhale, come to the Tadasana pose and relax. Next is Pavana Muktasana. Exhale and fold the legs, holding by the hands. Keep the head straight. Pavana means gas, Mukta means release. Very good for severe gastric, acidity and ulcer. Inhale, stretch the legs front and relax. Shavasana. Shavasana pose and relax. Should relax. 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 Withdraw the mind. You can practice 5 minutes. Then join the legs, hands by side of the body. Stretch the right hand over the head. Fold the left leg. Turn the body towards right. Rest your left palm on the ground in front of the body. Come up gently. Yogena chittasya padena vacha malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram munina patanjalim pranjaliravranatosmi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Take the hands back. Hold your right wrist by the left hand. Bend the trunk back. Exhale, bend the trunk front and rest your forehead on the ground. Inhale and come up. Rub the palms. Give it 3 times. Massage on your eyeballs. Open your eyes with few blinks. Practice all this in a sequence and get complete benefits. Happy time.